In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email composing format in Microsoft Outlook. If you want your new emails to use a specific format by default, Outlook makes that easy to adjust in just a few moments. This is useful if you prefer a cleaner plain text style, a more flexible HTML format, or another option available in your account settings. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to update it. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where you can view your inbox, read messages, and create new emails. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol. Click that icon to open your Outlook settings. After the settings panel appears, look for the Compose option and click on it. This will take you to the part of Outlook where message creation preferences are managed. If you ever want to customize how your emails are written or displayed before sending, this is an important section to know. Now, under the Compose Messages section, you'll want to locate the setting labeled Compose Messages in this format. This is the option that controls the default format Outlook will use whenever you start writing a new email. Once you find it, click the drop-down menu next to that setting. You'll see the available format choices. Select the format you prefer for your outgoing messages. Choose the one that best fits the way you usually communicate. For example, some users prefer simpler formatting, while others want more design and styling options in their emails. After selecting your preferred format, click OK to confirm and save the change. That's all you need to do. From this point on, new messages you compose in Outlook should use the format you selected by default. As a quick tip, after making the change, it can be helpful to open a new email draft just to verify that the formatting now matches your preference. That way, you can confirm the setting was applied correctly right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the email composing format in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.